Sorry, back again. Hello. Yeah, it's been a while, but I've been making a little bit of progress. The battery box, as we're gonna see, still not there yet, but hopefully getting closer. So let's get into it. Right. So while I wait for some more metal to come to finish mounting this off. Still, I've cut one of these down. One of the series links. Just cut one down to fit in there. Quite happy with that. So yeah, obviously these go in there. Just going to leave them off for the minute. Keep the voltages low while we're working with it. And for the final assembly, I'll put those in. Right, back onto the battery box. This was previously welded on, and I was having trouble assembling for access reasons. So yeah, converted it to a bolt-on panel. And also I've got this new thick bit of metal welded on, and metal supports into captive nuts. Still need to do a bit more cleaning up on the bottom here. Let's turn it over. That's the captive nuts, the weld on nuts, and then need to drill and cut this side off as well. So yeah, that's currently where we are. So here's my redone front battery mount. That confident with it, I've now painted it. So yeah, it's got the Land Rover engine mounts. Just go and put that on the car. There we are, that's loosely fitted to the car, round about where it's going to go. There you go. And that's what I've got for that. Just run out of the black, but I've started painting the exterior panels, and obviously primering. Still need to seam seal all the gaps, but yeah, it's I think it's going to look quite good, this black with the stainless steel fasteners. So that's where we are so far. Obviously, the rest of it out there, primer, just waiting to dry. Run out of gas, so I can't do any more welding on the rest of the stuff that needs welding till I get some more gas. But yeah, I'm going to dry run assembling the battery a bit later today, so we'll see how that goes. And we are sort of test assembly of the pack. So all the layers are on, all the BMS wires are up to the top. Obviously they're not secured in place or anything. I'm going to pull it back down apart. I need to wrap some of the wires, put those little sticky watsits on there so I can cable tie, keep all the wires from chafing and moving around. Still need to sort of do something. My BMS is too tall. I need to make some tweaks to this before I primer that, and then can do the seam sealing and final assembly. So yeah, that's currently where we are with the battery box. I still need to finish the two end panels that I cut off. They're a bit of a mess still, so I need to clean those up. And then I need to do the side with the disconnect, so that needs cleaning up a bit more. And the low voltage signals and the high voltage output needs to go on there as well. But yeah, that's where we are so far. So this side panel's not finished yet, but I've just been fitting the I/O signals. That's the stock one. and that's an extra one they've had. I think they call them a Deutsche connector or something like that. And I think I'm probably going to then put wires coming out of there to a junction box, which is going to have the proper connectors on and the interlock loop and all that. So the junction box will be permanently attached to the outside of this. And yeah, still need to finish welding this up. Run out of gas, so I'm waiting for a refill. So yeah, just need to finish welding that up, cleaning it up, painting this, and then I think I can seam seal the box and start final assembly and wiring. It's raining yet again, but so I've seam sealed across my welds. The battery's disassembled again, so I can do the final painting, ready for hopefully the final assembly. So I've seam sealed across my welds, and on there. I got the other bits primed. Just been to the shop and got a lot of matte black paint. So I can paint these when I finish seam sealing, and yeah, hopefully this bit will be finally over soon. But yeah, there we are. Battery box. Put seam seal around. Start spray painting it, and hopefully next week I can start the final assembly of the battery box. Yeah, and then test the wiring, make sure that I can communicate with the BMS and everything before I finally seal up the sides and the top and everything, and then get the hoist out and lift it into the car. Before I do that, I've just got to make some more tweaks to the locking plate. I've got some little tubes to go inside the thick bar at the top, just to stop the bolts crushing it. A few little bits of tweaks to it. Paint that obviously, and then put that in, put the battery box in, and I've just got a bit to finish wiring up, finish making for the inverter mount, and then I can finally start wiring up. So hopefully not too much longer until I can give it a test drive. But we will see. Anyway, I think that's it for this one. So thanks for watching, and hopefully the next video won't be like 3 weeks, but we will see. Let me know what you think. Subscribe, all that stuff. Comment, like, subscribe. I'll see you next time.